Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your Steam profile public. Let's begin. Once you've successfully opened your Steam client, I want you to go over here. You can choose manage account, go to view my profile, or go over here under your username, click on profile. Either way will work. Then choose edit profile. Then you will have multiple tabs in here you can choose. We need to go to privacy settings. Under my profile, by default, this will be public. However, for some reason, if it's not public, if it's, for example, private, go ahead and select public. Okay. Then that means your Steam profile, your friends list, groups, and your activity will all be shown in your profile over here. All of the games that you've played recently, reviews, everything you can click in here will be set to public. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.